Alright, so lighting's probably bad. I apologize for that. But I'm about to go to Best Buy and see what I find. So yeah. And looks like we're in the right aisle. Maybe. Here are the drones. Well, here's the price tag for the Osmo Pocket. Maybe it's back there. They said they had some here, so probably have to ask somebody. I thought there would be one that was out here for me to look at, you know, in hand. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have a little Best Buy bag in my hand. And I'll show you guys what I got in 1 second. So, as I said in the last video, Dji Osmo Pocket, and I got memory card. I'm probably going to order another one online. This one's just going to be temporary because it only says 100 megabits per second write speed. And I believe the proper write speed for 4K 60 is either 100 or 120 megabits per second. But for now, can't complain about this. So the next clip will most likely be on the Osmo Pocket. So, all right. So we're going to unbox the Osmo Pocket. Plastic is off. And I think that's everything holding it. And then these things, set that aside, and then here is what's in the thing, and it's really tiny. Like when they say pocket, they mean pocket, because wow. Okay, here's the little holster, and that's here's a little strap, USB, and the adapters. So I'll set that down. And then, okay, so these are the phone connector thingies. This is the iPhone one, so I'll close that. We don't use those over here. Although I may use the iPad with this thing, but the iPad's kind of old, and it's not my iPad either. But, yeah. And pardon my sniffling. I work outside, so the weather changes are brutal to me. Wow. This thing feels really rugged for such a tiny little thing. Then here's the memory card jack, so we'll be putting the memory card in there. And pardon my dirty nails and all that. It's all stuff from outside. So give me a second to open the memory card, and then we'll get back to this. I think it goes in, oh, so maybe this way. Clicked in, so move that over. Clicks on, and then I'm pretty sure it's like the other gimbal, so let's see if there's any battery. Oh. Ooh, that sequence is pretty cool. English. Device not attached. Oh, device not activated. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I have to connect it to the phone. So I guess the next clips that you guys will be seeing will be from the Osmo Pocket. So let's see. Well, this is some test footage with the Osmo Pocket, and it's kind of weird to be looking at the little camera as opposed to the screen. But I mean, it's something to get used to. But I can't wait to be out in the natural lighting because it's night, as you guys can see right here. That's a little sunroof type of thing, but yeah, just a little test footage for right now. There's no follow feature with 4K 60, so that's kind of annoying, but I guess we'll just have to learn the ropes as is. And it's kind of close, but I'm pretty sure they'll come out with like a little wide angle attachment and whatnot. So guess it's gonna be time to ball out on my little Osmo Pocket. But thanks for watching. That's the end of the video for right now, and tomorrow I'm probably gonna test it with something, I don't know. And actually, before we go, I just came back from driving the B5S4, and that thing is, bruh, it's mind-bogglingly fast, and I was only on local roads. The boost really hits. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. And I'm not gonna slap the thing because it's a gimbal.